SIT on the instruction of the Chief Minister and Deputy CM. They limited their inquiry. The instruction given by the both Deputy CM and Deputy CM, further they restricted. Now people are suspicion about the special investigation team, what we are calling.
Sir,
That's why we are demanding. We are demanding to please refer this investigation to CBI, or you can with the High Court or Supreme Court interference. Any one of the sitting judge under his leadership, judicial inquiry can be conducted.
What I have said that it is not necessary to give this case to CBI. Our SIT is competent enough to handle this case, and they are doing a good job. So far, they are doing a good job, and I have full confidence with the SIT. They will do a good job.
Kumaraswamy.
And my only suggestion is, have some faith in your own organization. Kumaraswamy, he was Chief Minister, and he knows and he knew how the SIT is functioning, how the system is functioning, and that time SIT or police department, it is the same. Only people may change. Instead of Kumaraswamy, somebody else has come, and department is the same, and they work with the same laws and same system. So we need to have some faith.